I'm thinking, Richard, a lot of people, they have great ideas, and no matter what industry in, they
Yeah.
have great things they want to do, but they don't have the funding available for that. And this is what you specialize in. How do you
Yes.
start with them? What do you say to them when they're like, I can't do it. I don't have any money.
So the very first thing I look at is if you don't have money, there's a lot of different ways to make money without money. And if you're looking to make money only when you have money, you're kind of missing it. There's a lot of different things you can have. And I have like four different C's. So we have credit, cash flow, collateral, and one of the main ones is courage. A lot of times all you need is courage to really be able to start and grow your business. And a lot of times you just have to go and talk to the right person with the right ideas. You already have the idea in your mind. You've probably seen someone that already has accomplished it, but you just need a little bit of capital. So at that point, you just kind of need a little bit of courage to go and talk to someone and say, hey, this is what we need. This is how much capital I need to be able to get this going and make this much money. But besides courage, I would say credit. What does your personal credit look like? So if your personal credit it's down, is less than 680, you have negatives on there, late payments, charge-offs. I would say that's your very first step when it comes to getting funding for a business. And then the next thing would be you don't need cash flow, you don't need collateral, but I would like to see how your business is set up. Your business needs to be structured a certain way in order to get funding. So that's the very first step. What does your personal credit look like? How is your business set up?